And there we are. Took majority of this tree and that tree up the hill into the valley. The rest of it, I said, never mind, I'm gonna burn it. It's just too much work going up and down. We use the Jeep to kind of pull it up the hill, but still, it's just easier doing it this way. And then that tree right there, we're gonna try make it fall away from us. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna give it a try. Not today, but within the next 3 to 4 days. Stay tuned. Yeah, that big one out there, if I get this cleaned up in time, maybe I'll take that one down. The other big one's not on our property. I don't know, maybe I'll measure from the base of that tree to the house and see if I got enough room. I think trees are like 40, 50 feet tall max, but some cleanup. All right, here we go. And it's dangerous. That's a big one. Pushing on it. Not yet. I'll cut some more. I know one-handed is not safe, but get a video, you gotta do it. That's the big one. Probably would have missed the house. Not by much, but if it took the ground with it, it would have went out a couple more feet. Possibly hit the house. And that I would consider the easy work, cutting them down. Might end up doing a couple of those too. This is gonna be the fun part. Cut up and clean up. A lot of energy exerted on that. Carrying it and loading it by hand. Not the easiest thing. So, on to work. Trying to get this tree to fall. Got that one already. This one's been cut. Kind of just giving a little nudge. And it's dangerous standing next to a tree before it falls, but that's probably 20, 25 feet. I take that big one down. That's a good 30, 10, 20, 30, maybe 40 feet tall. Just because the house is going to be there, and I don't want that falling on the house. That's next.